Hey guys, DV Tutorials here with a quick unboxing video of the EVGA GeForce GTX 1050 graphics card. This is the SSC version with 4 GB of GDDR5 graphics memory, making it a great budget gaming card. This graphics card is installed in the PCI Express 3.0 slot. I included a link in the description with some more technical specs on this card. Let's go ahead and open it up. Here you can see the box and packaging included with the card. We also have the manual and user guide here as well. The actual card is wrapped up pretty nicely with bubble wrap and an anti-static bag to ensure it is safe in transport. The 1050 Ti is equipped with several outputs, including an HDMI port, a display port, and a DVI port for a wide range of options. So let's take a look at the card. One important point is that there is no supplemental power, as you can tell. This card gets all of its power through the PCI Express slot, which should make the card run cooler in theory. The 1050 Ti draws a maximum of 75 watts of power. I purchased this card as an open box on eBay for about $110. Taking a quick look at some active listings, the card ranges from about $80 to $160 used, which really makes it a great bargain. For the purposes of this unboxing video, we will go ahead and do a quick installation guide for the card using the Precision T5500 computer. We will first unlock and move the bracket at the back of the case, allowing access to the PCI slots. We will be utilizing one of the PCI Express ports on the motherboard to install the card. There is a second PCI Express port on this computer as well, which would allow for a second card in an SLI configuration if desired. The 1050 Ti is pretty wide and will require 2 open slots on the case to be installed properly. We will move one of the metal covers from the back of the case and slide it over to the right like so. We will then be able to install the card here and have it extend to the left over these 2 slots. The actual installation of the card is pretty straightforward. Just line the card up with the back of the case and the PCI slot, then simply latch the card into place like so. Here's a side view to give you a better idea of how it is installed in the computer. Here you can see the 1050 Ti installed at the back of the case. We have the display port, HDMI port, and DVI port along with the fan cooling slots. Let's power the computer on and test the system with the new card installed. As you can see, the computer boots and posts to Windows without any issues. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was a helpful video.